It is one of the most photographed spring scenes in the country. It's the flower fields in Carlsbad along the Southern California coast. And I recently talked with travel expert Jennifer Chan about why visitors can experience what visitors can experience there this spring and summer. Good morning, Jennifer. How you doing?
I'm doing so well. Happy to be here.
Oh my goodness, you are one of pretty much the prettiest places around San Diego. That's Carlsbad, and you're at the flower fields. So let's talk about why this is such a great destination.
Yeah, so Carlsbad has something for everyone. Here we have 7 miles of pristine Pacific coastline, a charming walkable village with shops and restaurants, and then the beautiful flower fields, which is where I am right now. It is absolutely stunning and vibrant behind me. But best of all, Carlsbad is really accessible. You can easily get here. It's a 45-minute drive from the San Diego airport, and there are new nonstop flights coming in all the time.
Oh my goodness, it is, and very easy to do. But what's also great too is that it's a beautiful area surrounded, especially if you love nature and just want to get out and do some, things around there. What are there to do?
So spring is such a magical time in Carlsbad. I like to say that this is really where we're in full bloom. You can see the beautiful colors. There's actually 50 acres of ranunculus flowers behind me, which makes this one of the most Instagram-worthy attractions in all of Southern California. And we have great weather. We have the ocean breeze, plenty of sunshine. This is where you can really appreciate and experience our beaches, our coastal walks, the lagoon activities. There's so much to do if you love nature here, and the views are incredible.
Oh, they are, and the temperatures are great there. So, and the thing about it is that there's something for the whole family to do. Am I right?
That's right. Families love coming to Carlsbad because vacation planning is so easy. We have Legoland California Resort, which features over 60 rides, shows, and attractions. I'm excited to announce they recently launched Lego Galaxy, the newest expansion at the park. It's all space themed, and it features Galactic Coaster. That is the first ever indoor roller coaster at the park, and there's lots of twists and turns. Riders can even customize their own digital spacecraft before blast-off. This is such an unforgettable experience for the entire family.
Oh, yeah, I love the Legoland, all that area. It's great. Okay, I hate to do this. I've been there quite a bit, but let's go ahead and do it for the foodies because some great chefs, some great restaurants there.
That's right. Carlsbad is quietly becoming a culinary hotspot. We have Michelin-recognized restaurants, we have artfully composed tasting menus, and even a thriving craft brewery scene. We are really highlighting all of the fresh coastal California flavors here. So whether you're looking for something more upscale or more casual and relaxed, we've got you covered. There's even a fresh farmers market that pops up once a week here in downtown Carlsbad.
Yep, and also the oyster farm that's right across the way there. Go get them freshly, and the chefs will cook them up.
Yes.
Yeah, very good for you. So what other things do you suggest?
Okay, so I love wellness and I love golf. We're renowned for both here in Carlsbad. We have the Park Hyatt Aviara and the Omni La Costa. These are 2 of my favorite properties in the world because they are so stunning. They have championship level golf courses, luxury spas to pamper you from head to toe, and world-class dining. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or an unforgettable trip for the entire family, or if you're looking for something unique as a solo traveler, Carlsbad definitely has you covered.
It does. I love it. And those resorts, I'll tell a little secret, very great for celebrity sighting. I'm just going to throw it out there. I'm just saying I've been there a couple of times to see. So, Jennifer,
you know it all.
I know. This is so great, Jennifer. Where can we find more information?
For more information on everything I shared and to start planning your next getaway, go to visitcarlsbad.com.
All right. Jennifer, thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you.